How to use Google Pay Cashback. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can use the Google Pay Cashback. So let's go. First of all, launch the Google Pay application on your device, just like I've done here. And secondly, you must note that not everybody is eligible to use the Google Pay Cashback. This feature is location based. Alright, so let's not start. Then if you're in a location that allows you to use Google Pay Cashback, move to the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile photo. Then in the menu that is displayed, if you're in a location that supports cashback, you will see the option rewards or cashback on this page as well. Alright, so once you can see it, click on rewards or cashback, then scroll down the available offers and select the one you want to use on the screen that you'll be directed to after you've selected rewards or cashbacks. Then once you've done that, tap on the claim button to activate the offer, then make a purchase using Google Pay as at a participating retailer to earn a cashback, and then you can view your earn cashback in the reward section. That way you'll be able to use the Google Pay cashback. So I hope that is clear. Just click on rewards or cashback, scroll through the available offers and select the one you want to use, then tap the claim button to activate the offer, make a purchase, and you are good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.